How sea level changes influenced early life on Earth revealed by fossils. Recent studies highlight the connection between sea level changes and early animal evolution. Fossils provide a timeline that showcases how marine oxygen levels fluctuated with sea levels. These fluctuations significantly impacted the development of diverse life forms in ancient oceans. Understanding this link helps us grasp the evolution of marine ecosystems over millions of years. Stay informed with our latest updates on Earth's history and evolution.